How to download the songs from the Spotify. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can download the songs from the Spotify. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Spotify. Now once you are in here you have to create a playlist in which you have to add the songs that you want to download. Now for that you just have to click on the search, and you can also go on the your library, and here what you have to do is simply click on this add songs icon, and from here you just have to add the songs that you want to add in your playlist. And after that here you have to give your playlist a name. You just have to click on this add to playlist, and from here you have to click on the new playlist. Now here you have to add the playlist name, and once you add it you have to simply click on the create. Now what you have to do is simply go on the premium, and here you have to select the playlist from your Spotify, and you have to get the Spotify premium, which is basically a monthly subscription, and from there you are able to get the downloaded song from your Spotify. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.